We are here at the Antoni van Leeuwenhoek Hospital, the Netherlands Cancer Institute in Amsterdam. Our first contact with AVL came about because Dern specified us in 2019 for the radiotherapy department, which is how we met Stefan. Since then, the building's undergone a major renovation, and we've been able to deliver our solutions in various phases.
Here we cover 100 to 120,000 square meters, and we specialize in oncology. We're taking steps towards using LED lighting alongside a lighting control system. We chose Helvar because we already have several Helvar systems within our operating theatres and our intensive care unit. We also have a Helvar lighting control system in one of our building sections.
They wanted a system that was quick to both install and configure, and which could always be optimized in the future.
One of the main advantages of Helvar is that we can connect the wired system and the wireless system together through the Helvar Insights platform. We have now opted for the wireless system, as this means that we don't have to install cabling throughout the entire building, including throughout the patient wards.
Many active ahead Node Multisensors have been installed. We configure these sensors in advance, so that it only needs to be installed. In combination with a wireless control panel, this is a complete solution. In addition, it is expanded with the environmental sensor. This solution ensures that a space can be renovated in no time, so it can still be used during the renovation.
We adopted the Helvar Senses environmental sensors, which provides insight into CO2 levels, temperature, and also occupancy. We can link this to our building management system, and when our climate control systems are ready, we'll also control those based on the values measured by.
In some spaces, we have implemented our Helvar Imagine system for extensive functionalities. A touchscreen installed in the restaurant can be used to control the lighting for different zones from the floor plan. There are also various options for controlling color temperature.
This renovation project incorporates three key principles driving modern building design. 1. Hybrid lighting controls, combining wired and wireless technology with DALI 2 luminaires for maximum flexibility. Number 2. Wireless scalability, allowing quick out-of-the-box deployment with user-friendly tools. And number 3. Indoor environment quality monitoring, improving comfort and energy saving by continuously monitoring space conditions. Wireless application controllers form a hybrid lighting control system, powered by Node Multisensors, creating wireless mesh. Each node connects to up to about 16 luminaires and can learn and self-configure based on space usage. Sensors in the ceiling do more than lighting control. They monitor temperature, humidity, CO2, VOCs, light levels, occupancy, and even noise. All data flows through the same wireless mesh, and users monitor conditions via the Helvar Insights platform. Helvar Insights makes data easy to understand with floor plan alerts, graphical visualizations, and reports, helping users optimize comfort as well as energy use. With Helvar, the client achieved a fast, efficient renovation and took big steps towards a net zero future.